Hey, what's going on, guys? I decided to bring one of my pups up front and center, but he wants nothing to do with the video. All right, well, sorry, guys. I tried to. Here, they're down there. Hey, puppies. All right. Let me run through the answers really quick. That was Winston, by the way. He's our slowest dog out of the bunch. Um, this is going to end up being the answer for warm up number 15. It is Tuesday. Happy Tuesday, everybody. This one wasn't a very tough one, not that bad. It says, which of the following is not a measure of central tendency? When we're talking about central tendency, it's the average. And pretty much there's only three of them that consist of anything with the average. It's mean, median, and mode. Those are the central tendencies. If you remember with mean, you add all the numbers up and then divide by however many numbers there are. Median is going to end up being your middle number, and mode is going to be the number that happens most often. And those are going to give you more around the averages. And with range, that's just taking the biggest number and subtracting it from the smallest number, which wouldn't really give you an average. It's just going to give you the difference. Anyways, the other thing, no test yourself assessment. I know I put in the post that pretty much what you need to do this week is the daily warm-ups, which all of you guys have been doing. You guys have been great at it. And you have to end up watching all the topic videos. We are in section 9. We had to end up moving some things around, so we are in section 9. And we're going to watch all the topic videos in section 9. So this week, we're watching 1 through 5. Next week, you're going to watch the rest of them and do the test yourself assessment then. The test yourself assessment grade is crucial. It's important. Some of you guys just don't even do it, don't even bother with it. I don't know why. It's 80% of your grade. If you get a 50% F, I've been curving them. Every single week I've curved them. If you don't do them and you get a 0 on them, even if I do curve it, it's not going to help you in the end. All right, well, try to do them. Reach out to me, communicate, send me a message, send me an email, post on Teams. If you have any questions at all, some of you guys send me a message. I tell you what to do, and then you guys still don't do it, so it drives me crazy. Just do stuff. Do stuff. Also, sorry that we're not going to go back to school. I'd love to see you guys. Hopefully next year you can stop by my room, stop by, wave to me. I'll wave back, make some funny, witty comment. All right, I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a good day.